ओम गणानां त्वा गणपतिगं ववामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत नः शृण्वन्नोतिभिस्सीदसादनम् ओम श्री सद्गुरु महागणाधिपतये नमः। नमस्ते अस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्र्यम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिकालाग्निकालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः। तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महादेवाय धीमहि तन्नो रुद्र प्रचोदयात्। कात्यायनाय विद्महे कन्याकुमारी धीमहि तन्नो दुर्गे प्रचोदयात्। नारायणाय विद्महे वासुदेवाय धीमहि तन्नो विष्णु प्रचोदयात्। महादेवी च विद्महे विष्णुपत्नी च धीमहि तन्नो लक्ष्मी प्रचोदयात्। तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महासेनाय धीमहि तन्नः षण्मुख प्रचोदयात्। भूतनाथाय विद्महे भवपुत्राय धीमहि तन्नः शास्ता प्रचोदयात्। आदित्याय च सोमाय मंगलाय बुधाय च गुरुशुक्र शनिभ्यश्च राहवे केतवे नमो नमः। आञ्जनेयाय विद्महे वायुपुत्राय धीमहि तन्नो हनुमत् प्रचोदयात्। गुरुब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विडजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्री दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। सर्वमंगलमांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणि नमस्ते। नमो व्रातपतये नमो गणपतये नमः प्रमदपतये नमस्ते। विघ्न विनाशिने शिवसुताय श्री वरदमूर्तये नमो नमः। तुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा गुरु मे देवा सर्वविघ्नविनाशकादितमस्त हरिहर देवताभ्यो नमो नमः। सर्व अपराध क्षमार्दं सर्व मंगल प्राप्त्यर्थम अलंकार पंचमुखदीपं दर्शयामि आचमनीयं समर्पयामि दिव्य रक्षां धारयामि इंद्रस्तोमेन पंचदशेन मध्यमिदं पादेन करेण रक्षां धारयामि। ओम ओके सर।
Namaste. Shanti Garu, are you there? Anup? Just texted Anup. I'm not sure whether... Oh, Anup said he is joining. Okay. Shanti Garu, are you there? Does anyone want to sing a song before Anup joins?
Raju Garu, can I?
Yeah, just a brief couple of minutes. Okay. And
Okay.
yeah, okay. No, he has joined.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Anup, over to you.
Thank you. Namaste. Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. बुद्धिर्बलं यशोधैर्यं निर्भयत्वमरोगता अजाढ्यं वाक्पटुत्वं च हनुमत्स्मरणात् भवेत्। Om Namaste. We will continue Hanuman Chalisa from where we stopped. And I'll just chant the part that we have covered. Sri Guru Charana Saroj Raja Nijamana Mukura Sudari Baranau Raghuvar Bimalayasu Jodayaka Phalachari बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेश विकार। जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस तिहु लोक उजागर रामदूत अतुलित बलधाम अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नाम महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी कंचन वरण विराज सुवेशा कानन कुंडल कुंचित केशा हाथ वज्र ध्वजा बिराजे कांडे मूंज जनेऊ साजे शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के काज समारे लाय संजीवन लखन जियाये श्री रघुवीर हर्षि उर लाये रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई तुम मम प्रिय भरत सम भाई सहस बदन तुमरो जस गावै अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावै सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीषा नारद सारद सहित ईशा जम कुबेर दिक्पाल जहाते कवि कोविद कहि सके कहाते तुम उपकार सुग्रीवहि कीन्हा राम मिलाय राजपद दीना तुमरो मंत्र विभीषण माना लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना जुग सहस्र योजन पर भानु लील्योताहि मधुर फल जानु प्रभु मुद्रिका मेलि मुख माहि जलधि लांघि गए अचरज नाहि दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हारे तेते राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे होत न आज्ञा बिन पैसारे सब सुख लहे तुम्हारी शरणा तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना। So we stopped at Prabhu Mudrika Melimukha Mahi Jaladi Langi Gaya Achara Janahi, and so we'll be going over the next few verses today. And last session we last few sessions we talked a lot about bhakti, and like I've said before, one of the good things about talking about Bhagavan Hanuman is we can talk about any approach to uh, divinity, any approach to enlightenment, and you will be talking about Bhagavan Hanuman because he's an epitome of bhakti. He's an epitome of efficiency in action, and he's an epitome of humility, and he's bhakta and Bhagavan at the same time. So whether you go through path of jnana, path of bhakti, path of karma yoga, you're still talking about Bhagavan Hanuman. So that makes it a little bit easy to talk about him. And that makes Bhagavan Hanuman special because it's hard to find somebody who is good at everything. It's hard to find somebody who is an epitome of all these. And but it also makes him the perfect God to emulate on. It makes him, or it makes it right, makes it appropriate to emulate him. It makes it perfect to unveil Hanuman Tattva in us. And so that is the beauty of studying Bhagavan Hanuman. And last time we also talked about the relationship between us and Bhagavan Hanuman, and how a bhakta would like the relationship with Bhagavan Hanuman in from bhakti standpoint. And we talked about how uh, if uh, Bhagavan Rama is a dani, I would like to be a bhikhari. And so everything that Bhagavan Rama would like to do, I would like to be his tool. I would like to be, not only that, I would like to be the beneficiary of that, but I also would like to be the vehicle of Bhagavan Rama's service. And those are some of the things that we talked about. We also talked about how a bhakta, all that bhakta needs is bhakti, shraddha. And so you don't need to know Sanskrit, you don't need to know yoga, Vedas, you don't need to know the yogas. All you have to have is shraddha. And these are beautifully put by different people, but specifically here with reference to Bhagavan Hanuman and relationship between Hanuman and Bhagavan Rama, and also the writing by Tulsidas Ji. There are multiple occasions where a bhakta just wants bhakti. All just Tulsidas Ji asks for is just give me bhakti. And I'm not asking you to take care of me, because I know that that's what you do, and that is your duty. So all I ask for is bhakti. And we also talked about how Bharata does the same thing in Ramcharitmanas. He he just, when he goes to Chitrakuta looking for Sri Rama, Sita and Lakshmana with the guilt that he is responsible for what Kaikeyi did, with the guilt that he is responsible for Rama going to Vanavasa. He is not sure as to what the response of Bhagavan Rama would be, but he's quite confident within himself that that Bhagavan Rama is such a forgiving brother that he would forgive Bharata. And Tulsidas ji puts it in Tulsi Ramayana, Aratana dharamana kamaruchi gatina chahau nirabana janama janama rati rama pada yaha varadanuna anam. He says, I have no liking for wealth, nor for any religious merit dharma, nor for any sensuous enjoyment, nor again do I seek the state of perfect and perpetual calm. I'm not looking for nirvana. Birth after birth, let me have devotion to Sri Rama's feet. This is the only boon I ask and nothing else. That's what Bharata says. And so that's kind of where we stopped. So going to the next verses, we will be repeating many things that we talk about, because if we have to summarize everything we talk about bhakti, jnana, and dhyana as the different paths to experiencing infinity, different paths to experiencing Hanuman Tattva, different paths to experiencing Rama Tattva. So there is bound to be repetition, okay, and it is okay to repeat good things. So the next verse is Durgam Kaj Jagat ke jete Sugam Anugraha tumare tete. Anugraha tumare tete Durgam Kaj Jagat ke jete. So with your grace, with your anugraha, the Durgama becomes Sugama. Whatever difficulties or obstacles you encounter in life are overcome by the grace of Sri Hanuman. So that is what this means. And this is similar to Asatoma Sadgamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, Nrityorma Amritam Gamaya. The Shanti mantra that we recite every day. And so Bhagavan Hanuman is so transformational that he transforms a Durgama Karya to Sugama Karya. And sometimes there is nothing like Durgama Karya. It is all perception. So we have to look good in, or look for good things in everything we do. We have to look for good things in everybody. We have to look for good things in every situation. We always talk about there is divinity in everything and everybody. There is divinity in every situation. That is the Mahavakya of Sanatana Dharma, Tattvamasi. And Bhagavan Hanuman helps us see good things in every situation and convert any difficult experience to a pleasant experience and useful experience. And he helps us see obstacles as opportunities with enthusiasm and courage, and make the best out of the situation and make good out of any situation. So that is a blessing of Bhagavan Hanuman. That is a merit of Hanuman Tattva. And that's the merit of looking for Hanuman Tattva within ourselves, looking for the strength that Hanuman epitomizes, looking for the humility that he epitomizes, looking for the jnana that he epitomizes. So that is converting Durgama into Sugama Karya. The next verse is Ramadware Tumurakware Hotuna Ajna Bina Paisare. We know that Bhagavan Hanuman is the Ramadwara. He is the gatekeeper of Ramadwara. He is indeed the Ramadwara. He is the passage to Bhagavan Rama. So when we study Bhagavan Hanuman, it is the path to blessings of Hari. It's the path to appreciate Bhagavan Rama. It is the path to invoke Bhagavan Rama. It is a path to experience Rama Tattva in us. And so here it says, Ramadware Tumurakware Hotana Ajna Bina Paisare. Without your permission, nobody can get to Sri Rama. So that's why I say he's not just the gatekeeper, he is the gate. He is the gate to Bhagavan Rama. And and when there is Ramadwara, or when you are inside the Ramadwara, you have nothing to worry about. When Bhagavan Hanuman set Lanka into fire, there are two places which didn't catch fire. And both were within or inside Ramadwara. One was Ashoka Vatika, where Sitama was there. Other one was where Vibhishana used to live, Vibhishana's house. And they were both guarded by Ramadwaras. And Bhagavan Hanuman is the gate. And one easy way to get to the gate is study Hanuman Tattva, or recite Hanuman Chalisa, or Hanuman Ashtakam, something to do with Bhagavan Hanuman, to chant on him, to study about him, remember him, invoke him, and experience him. The next verse is Sabsukala he tumari sharana, tum rakshaka kahu ko darana. So Sabsukala he tumare sharana, tum rakshaka kahu ko darana. So all those who seek refuge, who surrender to him, they enjoy sukha, sabsukha. So all those who seek refuge in you enjoy every kind of happiness. And tumu rakshaka kahu ko dharana. Why should one be afraid of anything when you are there to protect? Sri Hanuman is the ever vigilant guard at the door of Sri Rama, and he pulls people to Bhagavan Rama. Unlike many gatekeepers, instead of preventing people from entering, Bhagavan Hanuman pulls people to Lord Rama, and that is his job. And because of this, Sri Hanuman is dearer to Lord Rama than even Lakshmana or Bharata. Lord Rama says, by his devotion, Sri Hanuman inspires other people to love me and come towards me. So, Tumupakara Sugriva Hekina, Tumare Manta Vibhishana Mana. With the help of Sri Hanuman, Sugriva regained his kingdom. Sugriva, before he regained his kingdom, he was able to meet Bhagavan Rama. And Vibhishana listened to his advice and took refuge in Sri Rama's feet. There are a few things said about the union of Sugriva and Sri Rama. We have talked about this few times. Sugriva is like a log of wood, and Sri Rama is like a Agni. So, and that's what Lakshmana told Rama, that you are like Agni too, and Sugriva is like the log of wood. And so that is a union of Agni and wood. Then Sri Rama reminded Lakshmana that you are forgetting something which is very important, which brings Agni and this wood together, and that is Pavana, that is air. So you need Pavana Kumara to bring wood and Agni together. And same thing with Vibhishana. Vibhishana needed Bhagavan Hanuman to bring him to Lord Rama's feet. Even though he was Bhakta himself, he needed that Dwara Rama Dwara to get to Sri Rama, and that was Bhagavan Hanuman. So any person can accomplish anything by chanting Sri Hanuman's name and meditating upon him and meditating upon his qualities, which would make him brave, fearless, and surrendering to Sri Hanuman and just reveling on Bhagavan Hanuman will help us unveil those qualities from within, right within us. And Bhagavan Hanuman will take us to that infinity, will take us to that Rama, Sri Rama, who or which is the greatest goal of all human beings. So the studying and worshipping Bhagavan Hanuman and invoking him will help us get to Bhagavan Rama. So that's why he is Ramadwara himself. Now, I'm going to read through one poem which will kind of describe Bhagavan Hanuman's role and how important he is in whatever Bhagavan Rama was able to do. So it goes as Dunya chale na Sri Ram ke bina, Ram ji chale na Hanuman ke bina. Dunya chale na Sri Ram ke bina, Ram ji chale na Hanuman ke bina. Ram ji chale na Hanuman ke bina, Ram ji chale na Hanuman ke bina. So Bhagavan Rama cannot do anything without Hanuman, and the world will not run without Sri Rama. जब से रामायण पढ़ ली है, एक बात मैंने समझ ली है, रावण मेरे ना श्री राम के बिना, रावण मरे ना श्री राम के बिना, लंका जले ना हनुमान के बिना, दुनिया चले ना श्री राम के बिना, राम जी चले ना हनुमान के बिना. Here says Ravana would not have died without Sri Rama, but Lanka would not have been burnt without Hanuman. And so Dunya chale na Sri Ram ke bina, the world would not run without Sri Rama, but Sri Rama would not run without Hanuman. लक्ष्मण का बचना मुश्किल था, कौन बूटी लाने के काबिल था. लक्ष्मण बचे न श्री राम के बिना, बूटी मिले न हनुमान के बिना. दुनिया चले न श्री राम के बिना, राम जी चले न हनुमान के बिना. Again, in rescuing rescuing Lakshman, you needed Sri Rama, but you absolutely needed Hanuman to bring the Sanjeevani from Dronagiri. Again, सीता हरण के कहानी सुने, बनवारी मेरी जुबानी सुने. सीता मिले ना श्री राम के बिना, पता चले ना हनुमान के बिना. दुनिया चले ना श्री राम के बिना, राम जी चले ना हनुमान के बिना. Again, we needed Bhagavan Hanuman to have Sita meet Sri Rama after she was abducted by Sri Rama. So any great thing that happened in Ramayana, we absolutely needed Hanuman. Anything great that Sri Rama did, he absolutely took help from Hanuman. So I will बैठे हैं सिंहासन पर श्री राम जी, चरणों में बैठे हैं हनुमान जी. मुक्ति मिले ना श्री राम के बिना, भक्ति मिले ना हनुमान के बिना. दुनिया चले ना श्री राम के बिना, राम जी चले ना हनुमान के बिना. दुनिया चले ना श्री राम के बिना, राम जी चले ना हनुमान के बिना. Again here, to get mukti, you need Sri Rama, and to get bhakti, you need Hanuman. And while Sri Rama is sitting in his simhasana, Bhagavan Hanuman is sitting at his feet. And I thought I could sing this, but I kind of forgot the tune, so I'll sing it another day. So the point is, Sri Rama and Hanuman are very interdependent, and everything that Bhagavan Rama did, there was Bhagavan Hanuman's role. Similarly, in our life, to reach that infinity, to reach Bhagavan Rama, to reach Hari, whichever way you look at it, in our own heart, within ourselves, to unveil that infinity within us, Bhagavan Hanuman is an important path, important dwara to that infinity. And so again, to attain that infinity within us, to explore that infinite strength, no matter what we are doing in life, whether it is studying or sports or running an organization or music, any skill that we want to excel in, we want that complete surrender to infinity. We want that paramajnana, and we want that infinite strength. And that is what we get from studying Bhagavan Hanuman. And it's 7:34, so I'll stop here. So the main message today is Bhagavan Hanuman is Ramadwara himself, and he is the path to achieving anything or experiencing excellence in life. Thank you. I'll stop here, and I request Shanti to sing, and followed by Meenakshi Aunty to sing Hanuman Chalisa. Shanti, are you there? Shanti? I'm not sure if Shanti is there. Meenakshi Aunty, maybe you can start.
Yeah, I am here.
You please chant Hanuman Chalisa.
Okay.
Anup, Meenakshi ji, before you chant, Ravi Kishore Garu wanted to sing a small song. Ravi Kishore Garu, you want?
Okay.
चंचल मन नित राम जपा कर, चंचल मन नित राम जपा कर, जय जय राम सीताराम, जय जय राम सीताराम। चंचल मन नित राम जपा कर, घड़ी घड़ी पल पल शिन शिन निस दिन, घड़ी घड़ी पल पल शिन शिन निस दिन, राम जपा कर, राम जपा कर, जय जय राम सीताराम, जय जय राम सीताराम। राम जपा कर, राम जपा कर, चंचल मन नित राम जपा कर। प्रातः समय के सुबह वेला में, संध्या समय के पुलकित रजनी, रोम रोम से निकले तेरे, रोम रोम से निकले तेरे, जय जय राम सीताराम, जय जय राम सीताराम। राम जपा कर, राम जपा कर, चंचल मन नित राम जपा कर। गहरा सागर टूटे नैया, गहरा सागर टूटे नैया, जीवन तरनी राम कहैया, जीवन तरनी राम कहैया। पार करेंगे राम जपा कर, पार करेंगे राम जपा कर, जय जय राम सीताराम, जय जय राम सीताराम। पार करेंगे राम जपा कर, राम जपा कर, राम जपा कर, चंचल मन नित राम जपा कर। सार तत्व की खोज किए जा, सार तत्व की खोज किए जा, प्रेम सरस रस रोज पिए जा, प्रेम सरस रस रोज पिए जा। पार करेंगे राम जपा कर, पार करेंगे राम जपा कर, जय जय राम सीताराम, जय जय राम सीताराम। चंचल मन नित राम जपा कर, जय जय राम सीताराम, जय जय राम सीताराम, जय जय राम सीताराम। Thank you.
Thank you, Ravi. Thank you. That was beautiful.
Thank you. Nice song. Anupji, the poem was very nice. I want to say something.
Please.
भक्त न भक्त बिना भगवान के, न भगवान बिना भक्त के।
Very, thank you, thank you. Very nice.
Very nice poem. Thank you. I will sing Hanuman Chalisa. Shri Guru Charana Saroja Raj निज मन मुकुर सुधारे वरनमु रघुवर विमल यशु जो दायक फलचारी बुद्धिहीन तनु सुरोपन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेश विकार जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपी सति लोक उजागर राम दूत अतुलित बल धामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी कंचन वरण विराज सुबेसा कानन कुंडल कुंजित केसा हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा विराज कांधे मूंज जनेऊ साज शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया राम लखन सीता बन बसिया राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय हनुमान की गवा कट रूप धरि लंक जरावा भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के काज संवारे लाय सजीवन लखन जियाए श्री रघुवीर हर शिवर लाए रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई तुम मम प्रिय भरत की समाभाई सहस वदन तुम्हारो यश गावे अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा नारद सारद सहित अखिलेशा जम कुबेर दिक्पाल जगाते कवि कोविद कहि सके कहाते तुम उपकार सुग्रीव ही कीना राम मिलाय राजपद दीना राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की तुम लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना जुग सहस्र योजन पर भानु लियो ताहि मधुर पल जानु प्रभु मुद्रिका मेली मुख माही जलधि लांगी गए अचरज नागी दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हारे ते राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे हो तु न आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे सब सुख लगे तुम्हारी चरण तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना आपन तेज
समारोह पे तीनों लोग हाँकते कांपे, भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी बोलो हनुमान की। नासे रोग हरे सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत वीरा। संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे। तब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा। और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे। चार जुग आप तुम्हारा, है प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा। साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे। अष्ट सिद्धि नव निधि के दाता, असवर दीन जानकी माता। राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा, सदा रखो रघुपति के दासा। अष्ट सिद्धि नव निधि के दाता, असवर दीन जानकी माता। राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा, सदा रखो रघुपति के दासा। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की। तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे। अंत काल रघुबर पुर जाई, जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई। और देवता चितन धरई, हनुमत से सर्व सुख करई। संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा, जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलवीरा। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई। कृपा करहु गुरुदेव की नाई, जो सत बार पाठ कर कोई। छूट ही बंदी महा सुख होई, जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा। होय सिद्धि सा की गौरी सा, तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा। की जय नाथ हृदय महाडेरा, की जय नाथ हृदय महाडेरा। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की जय बोलो हनुमान। संकट हरण मंगल मूर्ति रूप, राम लखन सीता सहित हृदय बसहु सुरभूपा। हृदय बस सुरभूपा सुरभूपा। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Auntie. Thank you. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you. 49. Should I do the Shanti Mantra and then allow for discussion, Raju?
Yes, Anup.
Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya Om Shanti 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 Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukinaha Sarve Santu Niramayaha Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhag Bhavet Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Thank you. We are open for discussion, comments.
Anyone? Any questions or comments, please?
Very nice talk, Anup, as usual. And another point about Sri Ramabhakta Hanuman is when you worship Hanuman, you get two benefits. One from Hanuman, one from Sri Rama. So you get 2 for 1 price. So that's a very good deal. Number 2 is Hanuman himself is a dwara to reach Lord Sri Rama. And that's how exactly Sant Tulsidas Ji got it. First, he was a great devotee of Lord Hanuman. Then through Hanuman, he get the worship and the presence of, you could see the Sri Ramji through Hanuman. Those are the two things. Very nice.
Thank you, Dr. Venkatra. Thank you.
Well,
Raju, you can...
I probably should add a little comment also about the Dwara. That apparently when it was time for Sri Ram to go back to Vaikuntha, Yama wanted to come in, but he was afraid because Hanuman was the god. So finally they had to distract Hanumanji, and Sri Ram went into Sarayu River and disappeared. So that's a little story.
Thank you, Dr. Nair. I didn't know that, so I'll study that. Thank you.
Anyone else? If not, let me just take a couple of minutes to comment. Anup, thank you after a long time, long break. So I enjoyed how you presented Durga Makaj Sugamakare. So Durgam is an obstacle. And there are people who see obstacles in every opportunity. And then there are people who turn every opportunity into obstacle. And then there are people who turn every obstacle into an opportunity, as you said. So there are two gods. One is Ganesha, and the other is Hanuman when it comes to obstacles. So yesterday, Tom Brady, he actually believes in Ganesha. So Ganesha is a remover of obstacles. Then Obama, he believes in Hanuman, who makes every obstacle into an opportunity, who turns every obstacle into an opportunity. Leaving that aside, Hanuman gives us this buddhi, balam, dhairyam, abhayam. So buddhir balam, yasho dhairyam, nirbhayatvam, arogata, that health to accomplish any task. So that is one. Then secondly is Durgam. Hanuman's tail is worshipped as Durga herself, Shakti. So Durga meaning is Durga Tinashini iti Durga. So any downfall is removed or prevented by Durga. So Durga Tinashini Durga. So that's Shakti Swarupa. Then he is also called Sankata Mochan, Sankata Haran, Kashta Bhanjan. So these three. Sorry, I'm slightly breathless because I was walking. So these three, even Sita Devi, as most of you know, this great Karya Siddhi mantra, Tvamasmin Karya Niryoge, Pramanam Harisattama, Hanuman Yatna Masthaya, Dukkakshaya Karo Bhava. Sita Devi attests that, hey Hanuma, you are the set standard to accomplish this great task. There's no one other than you who could get this done for me. Then in Yuddhakanda, Jambavan also says, when everyone else were put into sleep by Ravana and Indrajit, so Jambavan says to Vibhishana, is Hanuma alive? If Hanuma is alive, we all will live. If Hanuma is not there, even if we live, we will be lifeless. So that life in us is Hanuma. This is looking at Ramayana, but looking at the Hanuma himself as a character. You see, Hanuma is a temple in which Rama, the deity, is there. And as you so rightly said, he's not Dwara Palaka, he's Dwara himself. He's a temple himself in which Rama is there. He is the Om, the podium upon which the abode in which Ram is residing. So, in fact, Hanuma's name is A-O-Ma. In Ha, there is A. In No, there is U. And there is Ma. A-O-Ma, Omkara. Through this Omkara, through this Pavana Sutta, through this Pranayama, we see Rama. So that is the gateway. You can interpret in many different ways. But if you look at with this Omkara as Pranayama, and you reach that Rama who is nameless, formless, that ultimate supreme Ram. Then you also so beautifully said Sugriva and Rama as fire and the firewood, and Vayu, Sutta, as Pranavayu, as a catalyst. So Hanuma is a catalyst to reach Ram. That is, yet another way of looking at Hanuma. And Hanuma in other scriptures, like Parasara Samhita, he says, do not bother Ram for everything, for bhakti and everything else, for shreyas, prayas, for bhakti and mukti. You just approach me and then I'll take you to Rama. So which means by knowing Hanuman, we will know Rama. That is another way of looking at it. Then sab sukh lahe. So everyone will be happy and sab khush rahe. So these are the two gods, Ganesha and Hanuman. Everybody is so pleased, never tired of looking at them. So that is Hanuma and Ganesha. Then lastly, Sugriva. Sugriva actually means, Su means good, Griva means the neck, a throat. So when we are good with our word, when we are good in our dharana and yoga and contemplation and meditation, and when we are good in our deed, as Sugriva did for Rama. So all these, the word, the thought, and the deed, when they come, in fact, we'll see this verse again in a beautiful way in Hanuman Chalisa later. Then Hanuman takes us to that ultimate supreme consciousness, Ram. Thank you. Jai Hanuman, Jai Shri Ram.
Thank you, Raju. That was beautiful. As always, you make things better. Thank you. There is in the chat box, somebody was trying to, I don't know, type something, Lakshmi's iPhone. We're not able to read it.
No, just salutation. Thank you. Namaste. Thank you, Anup. It was just wonderful today.
Thank you, Raju. Thank you, everybody, for giving me this opportunity.
And it's 8 o'clock, we can close, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Shubharatri.
Thank you, Anup.
Thank you, Dr.
Good night, Subharatri.
Shubharatri. Namaste. Thank you, Anup. Subharatri.
Thank you.